Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, I'm excited to bring you my, second unboxing and on-feet review of the ADIDAS 4D Run 1.0. Now, this is supposed to be a more comfortable, better cushioning running sneaker featuring the 4D technology of ADIDAS. And if you guys have been following this channel for a while now, you probably know that I'm not a big fan of the 4D tech. It's kind of hard, it's stiff, I don't see the point, especially since Boost is just such an amazing cushioning technology that Adidas already uses. However, I've been wearing this for a couple of days now, and to be honest, my perception of 4D has changed. It's a complete turnaround because this is a really good shoe. So if you're interested to find out more, keep on watching. Let's go. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We are going to draw the winner of the Nike React Infinity raffle very soon. So make sure that you're subscribed, follow me on Instagram, join our Facebook community, and then click the links down below for the rest of the mechanics. Good luck. So let's jump right into the sneaker. By the way, if you guys missed my mega Adidas unboxing vlog, where I unboxed this sneaker together with the new Adidas Ultra Boost Personal Best as well as the Adidas SL20. I will put a link down below so you can watch it after this video. Now it comes in your typical Adidas 4D box, and if you slide it open, ba-bam! This is what the sneaker looks like. So if you take a look at the upper, it has some sort of digital camel print. Not too sure what to make out of it. They kind of look like arrows, or I don't know, maybe like aerodynamic air running across the upper, because again, mainly it is a running shoe. You have the three stripes over here, a salmon Adidas logo at the tongue tab, detachable tongue. You have the 4D midsole over here, which I'll talk in a bit during the on-feet section of the review. And I just want to point out a couple of things. First, this part is padded, much more padded compared to previous 4D sneakers. The Consortium 4D sneaker that I had, this one was flat. It wasn't really comfortable, and it kind of bit into the flesh. This one is plush, very good cushioning to be able to give support to your ankle all over it. Now the upper material is made of some sort of, I think it's very similar to the material that they use to the transparent stripe of the 350 Boost V2, because as you can see, it is kind of transparent, but I can be wrong. Now it's not made of knit material, so it won't be as breathable or as flexible as an Ultra Boost, but don't think for a second that this will be warm, because it's actually kind of breathable. There are a lot of perforations. They're kind of small, you just don't see it. So your feet will be cool if you are wearing this shoe. Now style-wise, this is the white, gray, black colorway. There is a pink colorway to this one with a black 4D midsole, which I'll put a picture of somewhere here. And there was also a version of this, the first one that came out. The upper was dominantly some sort of like orange, similar to this color, which I'll also put a picture somewhere here. One complaint that some people have, especially the hardcore runners, is that the outsole is not made from Continental outsole, which is one of the best rubber outsoles that you can get. It's the same rubber outsole that the 4D Consortium uses. It's also the same outsole that the Ultra Boost uses. So this one just uses some sort of black rubber outsole with some sort of pattern on it. So this might be an issue in terms of durability, but that's only that you get to find out after wearing it and running in it for miles upon miles. Speaking of running, obviously this isn't a performance review. So if you guys want that, I'll try to find a good one and link it down below, and you can watch it after this video as well. So let's jump right onto the on-feet feel. Now when it comes to on-feet, there are two things that I want to point out. The first part is it being ridiculously comfortable, especially if you compare it to the original 4Ds that came out. And it has a lot to do with the 4D midsole that you have over here. The previous experience or feel with the 4D was that it was stiff and hard all throughout, which made you question where's the science in it, where's the thinking behind it, if the overall customer experience kind of sucks. However, that changed with the Adidas 4D Run 1.0. It's actually softer towards the heel as well as the midsection, and you get that cushioning, I don't know, like pillow-like sinking in feeling as you are walking or running in the shoe when it comes to the midfoot all the way to the back of the heel. And that actually gives you a great transition as you are walking or running in them, because it gives you the support on your heel to your midfoot. Then it's a little bit stiff for the forefoot, where you need that force to be able to propel you forward. So that's one of the great things about this one. They were really able to fine-tune the build and the structure of the 4D so that it's more comfortable, and it actually helps propel you move as you are running in them. Secondly, it has a lot to do also with the collar that you find here around the ankle, which I mentioned earlier. The pillowy effect that you get with this is just something that you feel a lot, and it's a definite upgrade compared to previous 4Ds, wherein the material just bit into the back of your heel, making it kind of uncomfortable. Now, when it comes to the upper material, I still prefer Prime Knit, which is something that you saw with the Ultra Boost or other running sneakers, mainly because it is more flexible, it's more breathable in my opinion, and it's just more comfortable for people who have wide feet, because it gives more, well, it has more give, as opposed to the upper material that's used with the 4D Runner 1.0. And probably one of the best tests, if there is a word, thing about it is the price, because this is the most affordable 4D runner that you can buy today. Previous 4D sneakers, the SRP were at 16,000. Some of them actually sold for 20,000 pesos. That's roughly 300 to 400 US dollars. This one is selling for 14,000 pesos here in the Philippines. That's roughly 240, 250 US, if I'm not mistaken. So it is the most affordable ADIDAS 4D runner that you can buy today. Now again, affordable is subjective. 14,000 pesos is still considerably a lot of money, but hey, at least in terms of SRP, we're starting to see a trend of the prices going down. Now personally, I think they were able to bring the price down to two things. One, the new construction and optimization of the 4D midsole, and lastly, the lack of continental outsole for the outsole of the shoe. So do I recommend the Adidas 4D Runner 1.0 as far as an everyday shoe? And if you are a fan of the 4D tech, or if you are curious of wearing 4D, you've probably been wearing Boost for a while now and you feel that you want to graduate out of it, this is probably the best 4D shoe that you can buy in terms of cushioning and in comfort. Now granted, it isn't as stylish as some of the 4D designs that are out there, but hey, it really looks different already as it is, and at least you get bang for your buck when it comes to the overall experience, especially with the cushioning of the midsole. Now before we end the vlog, let me just thank everybody who actually bought the pre-order for the 721 Project 721 side hustle bag. To those who don't know, Project 721 is an apparel line that I put up recently to complement this channel. So the thinking behind that is not everybody's blessed to have a job that they love. So from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. you build your career, you go to your job, you pay your bills, and the 7 to 1 principle, or the 7 p.m. to 1 a.m., that's where you build your dreams. That's where you work on the things that you love, that make you happy, that make you fulfilled, and the hope is eventually you get to transition to doing your 7 to 1 full time. So that's the thinking behind Project 7 to 1. Now we sold the side hustle bag, did really well. The pre-orders are, well, sold out. Now we will be opening pre-orders for the shirts that we did. This is one of them, the Dreamer shirt. There are 3 different designs of the shirts. The quality of the cloth is comparable to that of Carhartt. That's the reason why it took us a while to be able to put it together. So if you want to find out more about Project 721, I'll put a link down below to the Instagram account of the said company or the said apparel line, so you guys can find out more about it, and you can follow the account so that when we have drops, you get to find out about them. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed our quick vlog for today. As usual, peace, God bless, what's up, boom. Hey guys, so we're back here in the condo, and before we really wrap up the vlog, I just want to do a quick plug. To those who don't know, I actually have a steel cabinet over at Greenhills where I sell some stuff. So it's like a cabinet space, and then I sell some of the stuff that I pick up when I'm traveling. I just saw this package that I haven't, well, opened and put in the steel cabinet yet. So I just wanted to share with you what are the items that will be appearing in the steel cabinet soon. So we have a couple of undefeated side bags over here, 2 in gray and 2 in vault color. So this should be available at the steel cabinet within the week. We also have like camo side bags from the brand Carhartt. So we have 3 of them as well. And then we also have a couple of if I'm not mistaken, yeah, these are the John Cena Funko Pops that I got from Amazon. So I think I ordered like 3 or 4, and they are the transparent version, and they have the Amazon sticker up front. So it says they're John Cena Amazon. So really nice looking Funko Pop. These Funkos I think will sell for like 1,000. The bags will go anywhere from 2,000 to 3,000 pesos each. So yeah, just so you have an idea and what to watch out for over at the Steel Cabinet. If you want to find out more about the cabinet, just follow me on Instagram. And with that said, boom.